Hi everyone, welcome back to Educational World. Today we're diving into a celestial event that's truly once in a lifetime, or to be precise, once in 160,000 years. Yes, we're talking about the incredible Comet G3 Atlas, a cosmic spectacle expected to rival even the brightness of Venus. Let's explore this rare and fascinating phenomenon. First, let's talk about what makes Comet G3 Atlas so special. This massive comet, originating from the Oort Cloud, a distant region of icy bodies at the edge of our solar system, is hurtling towards the inner solar system. Its long orbital period means it hasn't visited us in 160,000 years, making this a spectacle no one alive has ever seen before. So what can we expect? As the comet approaches the sun, its icy surface will begin to sublimate, creating a glowing coma and a stunning tail. Scientists predict it will shine so brightly in the night sky that it might outshine even Venus, which is known as the brightest planet visible from Earth. Did you know? Comets have always fascinated humans, often regarded as harbingers of change or omens in ancient cultures. But today, we know that these icy travelers are remnants from the early solar system, offering clues about the origins of our planets, and even life itself. Now you might be wondering, how can you witness this rare event? Astronomers suggest the best time to observe Comet G3 Atlas will be during its perihelion, the closest point to the sun. Make sure to find a dark location away from city lights, and don't forget your binoculars or a telescope for a better view. This event isn't just a treat for stargazers, it's also a golden opportunity for scientists. Observing Comet G3 Atlas can help researchers study the composition of the early solar system and the processes that shaped it billions of years ago. So mark your calendars, stargazers. This is one cosmic event you don't want to miss. Don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And if you capture any images or videos of the comet, tag us on social media for a chance to be featured in our next video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Educational World, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on amazing scientific phenomena. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.